How to delete Yahoo search engine from Chrome. Okay, so when you start Chrome browser and when you start search something, it's gonna changing to the Yahoo search engine. So I can fix it. So let's start with the video, guys. In this video today I'm going to show you. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser, Chrome browser. So here I am on my Chrome browser. So what you need to do, just go to this three dot option, right corner, upper right corner, and go to the settings. And under the setting, first step you have to check the search engine. Okay, so is there selected Yahoo, then you have to switch to Google, then go to the manage the search engine and sites, and here you have to select Google as a by default. Okay, you can select from here. Make, if there is a no Google is a not by default, you can make like come to the Google and make the by default like this. Okay, it will be by default now. Okay, so now just come to the on startup, and here click on the third option, open the specific page to set or page. And here if there is another page or there is a no any Google search engine, then you have to add from here. Go to the Google, open the Google search engine here, new tab, select it address, and just copy address and just paste here and add it. So you can add the Google search engine as a specific page for the startup. Okay, whenever you open the Chrome, the Google search engine will be your default home page. Okay, so that is methods or setting you have to do. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.